Alright, so we've done some tweaks to our mirroring brush just so that, I don't know, so we can make cool stuff. But we don't have time for a technical demo here because we're on the fucking fast playlist, so let's fucking go. So in the top level helper functions here, within the random integer section, we've added a new function. It's called randint skip value, but it's overloaded for min, max, and current, and the original value is just, the original is here, right? Implied lower bound, and the value we want to skip over. So a random function, but it skips whatever value is inputted in here. So we're going to error check our inputs here. We're going to zero out the range. We're going to wrap the original rand value function. We're going to get a value out. We're going to re-globalize the range by adding the value out with the minimum, and then we're going to spit out this value that's going to be between this minimum and maximum range, and it's going to skip whatever this value is, and this value should be on this min-max range, an inclusive range. Okay, so then down here in the Eddy game section, in the Eddy game editor data, we've just modified a whole bunch of variables to make more pleasing patterns quickly when the game starts up. That's all we're doing. We're just kind of modifying the settings to make things fun. In the mouse master section, in the click drag function, inside of this click or drag section where we have the click or drag code here, we have this randomizing brush section, and we have a new function pointer called MMC. And in two places where we're using this RIS function, we're now using this overload. We're using this function here instead. So right here, we're going to choose between min, max, and current, right? So we have the min value, the max value, and the current, and this is just a re-roll that's going to skip over what this is, and it's going to choose something randomly between here and here, but skip this. And then right here, we have not done any logic for the layer selection because that's a little bit harder to do, so we'll do that later. And then for the random value, the random tile value, min, max, current, so the minimum tile value, the maximum tile value, and the current tile value. So we're going to re-roll the tile value here, and here we're re-rolling the tile size. And that's all we really did. So here's what we did previously. Here's our footnotes. And if you want a longer explanation, you'll have to go here because I just do not have any fucking time here. Like and subscribe.